let's jump right in. Think about your last trip abroad. Was there maybe a little piece of tech you didn't even consider?
Like what kind of tech?
Something that could, saved you a real headache. I mean, think about it. Dodging those crazy roaming fees.
Oh, yeah. Definitely been there.
Or trying to find a SIM card seller you actually trust right after landing.
Ooh, the airport SIM hunt. Classic.
And that endless search for halfway decent Wi-Fi, it's exhausting, right? Does any of that sound familiar?
Absolutely. That's pretty much standard travel stress, isn't it? The
Yeah.
connectivity scramble.
It really is.
But what's interesting is there's actually a pretty smart solution out there now designed to just make all that friction will disappear.
Exactly. And that's what we're diving into. The eSIM.
Ah, yes. The embedded SIM.
Right. It's basically a digital SIM card. It's already in your phone. And honestly, it's completely changing how we stay connected when we travel.
It really is a shift.
Picture this. You land somewhere new. Instead of messing around with tiny bits of plastic.
Which you can barely see, let alone handle.
Exactly. You just activate a data plan you already downloaded. Simple as that.
And the beauty of it is how it streamlines everything. It
Right.
takes the hardware out of the equation, mostly.
Yeah.
You're managing it all through software. We looked at some info, and often it's just, scanning a QR code.
A QR code. That's it.
Pretty much. And boom, you're online. In like over 200 countries, apparently. That immediate connection, it makes a huge difference to how you feel when you arrive.
No doubt. And to make it even easier for people, our research pointed towards eSIMO.io.
Okay, eSIMO.io.
Yeah, it seems like a good central hub, a place where you can browse and buy prepaid eSIMs specifically for travel.
So a marketplace for them.
Kind of, yeah. And the process they describe sounds pretty straightforward. You just pick your country, choose a data plan you like.
Based on how much data you think you'll need, I guess.
Exactly. And then you activate it before you leave home. So you're basically good to go the second the plane wheels touch down.
If you think about modern travel, the control that gives you is pretty significant.
Control, yeah, that's a good word for it.
Just knowing you'll have data immediately
Yeah.
without wondering if the airport kiosk is open or if you'll get ripped off. That's a big deal.
Definitely takes away some anxiety.
And the sources we saw really emphasize the simplicity. No contracts tying you down.
No hidden fees popping up later.
Apparently not.
Yeah.
Just clear, affordable data plans. They mentioned prices starting surprisingly low, like $3.99.
Wow, okay. That's really accessible.
That's the key, right? Accessibility.
It really flips the script, doesn't it? You're not stuck with whatever the local carriers decide to charge tourists or relying on spotty cafe Wi-Fi.
Right. You're actually in charge of your connection.
Yeah. One of the pieces we read put it quite nicely, actually. Said something like, don't just pack your passport, pack your signal.
I like that. Pack your signal.
It really hammers home that idea,
Right.
Reliable connection isn't a luxury anymore. It's fundamental for travel now.
And it raises an interesting thought, doesn't it? About how this tech could sort of reshape travel itself.
How so?
Well, if getting reliable internet abroad becomes easy, the default even, with fewer obstacles, what does that unlock for how people navigate, how they communicate, maybe even how they work while traveling? Could we see, even less distinction between being at home and away?
That's a really interesting point. I mean, imagine instantly pulling up maps without thinking twice.
Right.
Or calling family back home without worrying about insane charges.
Or quickly dealing with an urgent work thing without that desperate Wi-Fi hunt.
Yeah, it just smooths out so many of those little bumps in the travel road, takes away a whole layer of hassle.
And the fact that platforms like eSIMO.io are popping up, these curated marketplaces,
Yeah.
that's also telling. It suggests a move towards simplifying what has often been, let's face it, a confusing mess, getting mobile data overseas,
Definitely.
offering travelers, a one-stop shop kind of experience.
So the main takeaway here isn't just about some fancy new tech.
No, it's more practical than that.
It's about a tool, a really practical one that's getting cheaper. And it can genuinely make your trips better. Saves money, saves time.
Saves stress.
Yeah.
A lot of stress.
Totally. And like the source mentioned, getting started seems pretty simple, often just visiting a site like eSIMO.io.
And thinking bigger picture, beyond just us travelers.
Okay.
As this gets more common, it could really shake things up for the traditional phone companies, right?
Their business models.
Yeah, and maybe even spur new kinds of travel apps or services that just assume everyone has seamless global connectivity.
It all comes back to having that signal ready, packed right alongside your passport, ready the moment you arrive.
Yeah, So just imagine that. Landing somewhere new, instantly connected. What possibilities does that open up for how you explore, how you experience the place?
Good question.
Ultimately, it's about getting back your time, saving a bit of cash, and just cutting out that whole connectivity headache when you're crossing borders.
Makes sense.
So if you're intrigued by this, if you want to simplify things for your next trip's connection,
Yeah.
a quick search for eSIMO.io could be a good starting point.
Good tip.
The whole travel tech world keeps changing, doesn't it? And the eSIM, well, it's a perfect example. A small change, technically, but one that makes a really big difference.